In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset a Squarespace website. Whether you're looking to start fresh with a new design, clean up a project, or simply want to wipe your website and begin again, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process. Resetting your site might seem like a big task, but with the right steps, it's straightforward and manageable. Let's dive in and get started. First, head over to the Squarespace website and log in using your account credentials. If you're already signed in, you're good to go. Once you're in, locate your user account. This can usually be found at the lower section of your screen. Click on it to access your account settings. Next, navigate to the dashboard. This is where all of your Squarespace projects are listed. Think of it like a control center for your websites. Take a moment to review the list and identify the specific website you want to reset. This step is important, especially if you manage multiple projects. It ensures that you're working on the correct site. Before we move forward, let's talk about backing up your content. If there's anything on your current website that you'd like to keep, now is the time to save it. Export your content, download any images you want to preserve, and save any important text files to your computer. This is crucial because deleting a website in Squarespace is permanent. Once it's gone, all your pages, images, and customizations will be lost forever. So take a few minutes to back up anything you might need later. Once you've secured your backup, it's time to delete the website. Go back to your dashboard and find the option to delete your site. Squarespace might prompt you to confirm the deletion. This is to make sure you don't accidentally remove the wrong site. Double check that you've selected the correct project, and when you're ready, confirm the deletion. Now, the deletion process might take a little time, especially if your site contains a lot of content. Don't worry if it doesn't disappear instantly. Just give it a moment to process. After the website is deleted, you'll see an option to create a new website in your dashboard. Click on the Create Website button, and this will take you directly into the site builder. At this stage, you can start setting up your new website. Begin by choosing a template that suits your needs. Squarespace offers a variety of templates for different purposes, from portfolios to online stores. Take your time to explore the options and pick one that works best for your project. Once you've selected a template, you can start customizing the style and layout. Adjust colors, fonts, and page designs to reflect your vision. This fresh start ensures that no remnants of the previous site will carry over, giving you a clean slate to work with. And there you have it. You've successfully reset your Squarespace website and started building a brand new one from scratch. We've covered everything from logging in, backing up your content, deleting the old site, and setting up a fresh design with the site builder. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.